Today, industry is powered by digital technology. Across manufacturing, unprecedented amounts of data are gathered by smart products and business systems. But how do you make sure workers can access the insights generated to do their jobs safely and effectively and improve operations? EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor uses augmented reality technology to do this by superimposing information and insights on real-world views of the plant. Workers simply use a mobile device to view machines, electrical cabinets, or other assets, and they're presented with information on operations, procedures, and diagnostics. They can also view supporting documentation or access remote support via video calling, whenever and wherever they need it. All this from the plant floor without the need to go back to their office. With EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor, people spend less time hunting for support and information and more time making operations run at peak performance. It's easy to develop procedures and create digital checklists to guide staff as they complete their day-to-day duties. EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor automatically detects the worker's position within the plant and provides the knowledge and support to complete a particular task at their location. Combined with virtual on-the-job training, this can help reduce staff errors and make sure work is completed effectively, efficiently, and safely. Did you know 50% of maintenance time is spent finding information, with the remaining 50% devoted to fixing equipment? EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor all but eliminates this wasted time, with online access to manuals, operating information, and equipment status. Users are presented only with relevant information based on their role and location within the plant, avoiding information overload and allowing them to get on with the job. What's more, virtual access means there's often no need to open control panel doors, adding up to a 30% improvement in diagnostic time and increasing worker safety. With EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor Builder, it's easy to set up an augmented reality view of a process and keep it current for the entire lifetime of the operation. Configuration is as simple as drag and drop. Start with a view of an individual asset or scene. Then build areas for multiple scenes to cover a process line. Finally, multiple areas make up the complete view of your process to cover part of or the whole plant. Being image-based, it's user-friendly and can be updated and adapted during the plant's lifecycle without extra training or outsourcing. Technology should support your people and align with your company processes. Augmented reality technology brings reference knowledge, expert worker experience, and remote expertise to where they're most needed, on the plant floor. It makes it easier for workers to follow procedures effectively and efficiently, which makes their lives safer and more productive. What's more, with EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor, it's easy to set up your system and make modifications, keeping it in step with your operations for years to come. Empower your workforce to safely make your operations run more efficiently, profitably, and sustainably with EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor.